here she be. The only things I've noticed that bug me so far are that, now I have this on a baker's rack and it's got a smooth thing, so it may not happen on a different surface, but when I go to pull it, sometimes it's kind of a firm door and it will actually move, like yank my whole microwave around. Also, there's no light on the inside. My old one had a light and I wish this one did, but that's kind of on me for not realizing that. Another person commented that this is all plastic. It is. This is metal, but the front part, you know. Disregard, that looks like it's waving, but it's solid on my end. I think it's just something the video is doing. You've got, let me get down here where you can see. You've got different programs you can cycle through. Different options here that you can choose that are presets. Stop, cancel. We typically just do the time and then hit start. I haven't used this time wait function yet, so, or the wait anyway, I've just done the time. You have an express cook that goes in 30-second increments. Wait, is that a light? Oh my gosh, there is a light. Well, then why doesn't it light up whenever I open the door? Where's the light coming from, guys? Is this a trick? I'm going to have to figure this out and go read other reviews. I'm not crazy, right? You guys saw that? Ah! Okay, so I'll have to figure that out. Clock function, express cook, power. Oops, clear. Just cycles through. You can go down to the lowest, back up to the strongest. Like that. So I like it. It's super cute. Maybe I'll figure out the whole light situation with how that works. Happy shopping.
This little microwave has a couple of little safety features. Okay, to use it, you're going to hit the power button. Then you're going to pick the time, or pick 50. Then you go like that. Guess I should have picked a lesser time. Okay, we'll stop it. Hit cancel, which is what you're going to have to do in order to open it. Now, if you don't open it, it'll beep at you. And I like that in case you forget. And also, if you have children, you need to hit that in order to open it. So if you have something hot inside, like I do, a child can't just open it. And it's not that easy to open, so a little child can't just open it either. So those are two nice features that I like.
So this is one of my favorite pieces of the kitchen. It has such a retro vibe to it. It is so nice, hence the name, Retro Series. It is a very good microwave. It gets hot on demand, like you don't have to wait a long time for it to get hot. The settings are really nice. You can turn up the power. You can even, let me see. Oh wait, that's not what we're trying to do. Hold on. Like, you can use the program to, okay, here it is. So like you can make beef, you can make, I don't know what that is supposed to, oh, beverage. Popcorn, frozen things, veggies, potatoes, rice, bread, pizza, like so many things so good about this. I really love the color. The color is amazing. It's a nice big size. It's really a great microwave. I love it.